Welcome! Here's how you can register and participate for the Cebu CFI Co-op's 3rd Virtual General Assembly on April 20, 2024 from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Log in to your CFI online app on your smartphone or tablet, or you can visit www.cficoop.com. Upon successful login, click on the 54th General Assembly button and follow the provided instructions. Read the guidelines and the program of activities and indicate your approval of the proposed amendments to the Co-op's bylaws. Lastly, participate in the election of the Board of Directors, election, and audit officers. Once complete, submit your registration and 500 pesos will be credited to your savings account. Then, the live video stream of the General Assembly will appear on your screen. It's that easy! Tune in on April 20 and get a chance to win up to 2.5 million pesos in raffle prizes.